November 30th, 2020 practice. Complete the ratio table using the plotted points on the graph. So we have number of books, cost in dollars, and then an ordered pair. So over here on our graph, number of books is going to be our x-axis, and then in dollars is on our y-axis. So first of all, our first point, so do you see this red point here? That first point, I'm going to draw a line here. So we go over to that 2, and that 2 is, let me get 3, no, we'll do 4. That 2, number of books, 2 books, and then how many dollars is 2 books going to cost us? $6. So the number of books for 2 books, we're going to put a 2 here. It costs us $6. So our ordered pair is over 2, up 6. X-axis 2, y-axis 6. All right, let's do another line, just so I can show you. You don't have to. Okay, let's see. So then we have another point here. On our x-axis, it goes down to that number 4. So that x-axis, I'll do a yellow there. That x-axis is 4 books. If we have 4 books, we are going to see that this matches to $12. So our coordinate is 4 and 12. So 4 and 12. All right, the next point, we go over to that 6 on our x-axis, so 6 books. How much is it going to cost us for 6 books? So this dot here, we're going to go over to the y-axis, $18, $18. So our ordered pair is going to be 6 and then 18. Then the next one, up here, we have 8 books. So I'm going to put 8 right here. And then $24. So if you take a look at this, what are we multiplying by? How do I get from 2 to 6? Well, times 3. Is 4 times 3 12? Yeah. Is 6 times 3 18? Yeah. Is 8 times 3 24? Yeah. So guess how much it is for 1 book? $3, because that's what we're multiplying by. All right, so our ordered pair is going to be 8 and 24. And last but not least, we have 10 books, which is going to cost us $30. 10 books, $30. Our ordered pair, 10 books and $30. And there you have it. That's it. Great job.